All right, we are in room 6133 on the Carnival Miracle, obviously on the 6th floor. We just walked in. This is what it looks like when you walk in. We've got 3 large cabinets. This one's got a bunch of hangers in it, which is awesome. And then the middle one, also hangers. And then the 3rd cabinet has a bunch of shelving.
And the shelving can be folded too.
And you can move the shelving to different levels if you need to. Then we have our bathroom. Pretty standard, pretty small, but it works. It's got the shelves up on the wall, which is nice. That have the little bars around it to make sure our stuff doesn't go flying. And if we keep walking in the room, we've got some more storage. You got your blow dryer over here, your phone, a little vanity area. There's a little stool down here, extra drawers for storage. This is our mini fridge. All right.
And you have a safe.
And then there's a safe. And then the TV.
Little TV.
Keep in mind though, I want to show you the outlet. If there's only one outlet in here for charging or plugging in your phone, so make sure that you bring something to give you a little bit more options.
Got a couch and a table.
Couch and a table, seating area, king size bed.
King size bed. Can you get my room to go out to the balcony?
And then we have our balcony. We're still here in San Francisco. One of the best ways to actually see the city, in my book. Very beautiful day. We got lucky.
Yeah, I'm feeling good. Got 2 chairs and just a little space over here.